So let's say if your Facebook ad's not performing, let me give you some steps for you to try to investigate yourself. First thing first, check your objective selection. So that's the first thing. So for example, if you're trying to get people to buy on your website, but you are actually doing traffic, consider changing the objective to sales. But having said that, you need to make sure that your Metapixel is installed and everything is connected correctly to make sure that everything is able to is trackable. So objective selection is really quite important, but a lot of people just don't understand. Like for example, if you want to get leads, but you actually boost the post and try to get engagement, then you have a lot of people kind of liking the post PM and whatnot, but you're not getting leads. So understanding that this is the first way. So if you're not getting results that you want, check the objective and see, and try different objectives to see whether you can get different results. Now, the second thing you can track here is you can try to analyze whether is it your creative that is affecting. So go into the CTR all and CTR link click in the metrics. So basically, you'll be able to determine whether your ad creative is working or not. So our benchmark CTR all is 2%, CTR link click is 1%. So you have way below, let's say your CTR all is 0.5 and your CTR link click is 0.2. Then you know that, okay, now I think you need to test different creative. So yeah, and then after that, we can actually look at other metrics like CPM. If you target a really niche audience, then the CPM is naturally very high. Consider testing different audience creative as well. And of course, there are many things that we can test, such as how many people actually click and goes out to the website and how many people land on the website. Sometimes we will see like situation where you have 100 clicks, but you have only 30 landing page view. That means your website loading time can be improved. If we can do something differently, we might be able to see different results from there. So that's one thing we can try. And then, then how many people added to cart, percentage of landing page view to add to cart, or percentage of landing page view to lead and all that. So there are many things that we can actually look into and find why our campaign is not working. To me, it's very simple. If a campaign is not working, do not just throw it away and start fresh. Find out why first. Otherwise, you'll be repeating the same mistake over and over again, and you have a lot of frustration in yourself because you're not seeing results. And whatever you test, you can't seem to wrap your mind around like what's working and what's not working. Analyze first. So really, if you are facing this situation and you want to know how is your campaign performing and what else can you do to take it to the next level, especially now you're saying that your campaign is not working, all right? So yes, this is the QR code. Scan this QR code, it will take you to my Fiverr gig where you and I would have a Zoom call for 30 minutes and I'll do 3 things for you. First, I'll build a dashboard, which the metrics dashboard in your ads manager, lining up all the metrics that you need to track. Okay, depending on what business you're in, then we will actually have a different set of metrics that we will need to track. I will build it out for you, save for you in your ads manager. Every time you just need to come back to it. And once we build that, I will analyze for you. So along the way, I would explain to you, why is this CTR not performing and what can we do and all that. So you will be able to kind of like analyze this yourself in the future because everything will be recorded. So you can actually refer back to this one over and over again. So as we analyze, I will build you a plan. So I'll tell you that, look, this is the first thing we should try first. Let's test different creative. And maybe I would even give you recommendation on how you should tweak the creative. Let's say we should change the arrangement, change the format, change the, like the ratio of it and all that. Then after that, test creative first. If not, then we test maybe the landing page, try to move the buttons here and there and see what to do. So basically, I'll give you a plan about a few things that you can do in a few weeks down the road, probably, hopefully, to help you take your campaign to the next level.